This is the noisy myna. Welcome to Birds of Australia. On this island continent, from the cold climate down south to the warmest of the northern tropics, we find a great variety of bird species. The noisy myna is a honeyeater found on the east coast of Australia, from far North Queensland through New South Wales and Victoria to Tasmania and southeastern South Australia. This bird is about 24 centimeters in length with a wingspan of about 36 centimeters and weighing 70 to 80 grams. Male, female and juvenile birds all have similar plumage. Their primarily habitats are the dry open eucalyptus forests. It is also found in the recently burned areas, farming and grazing areas, roadside reserves, suburban parks and gardens. Although the noisy myna is a honeyeater, it also eats fruits, lots of insects, and occasionally it feeds on small reptiles or amphibians. Flowers that produce nectar from trees and brevilleas are part of their diet, but insects found on dead leaves on the ground are also in the menu. Around the suburbs, noisy myna can eat bread or food leftovers. The noisy mynas are very aggressive and are constantly at war with all other birds, including of its own kind, so chasing, pecking, fighting, scolding and mobbing occurs all day, every day. Due to large-scale clearing of woodlands by early settlements, noisy myna had benefited by adapting and becoming an overabundant species. Coupled with its aggressive behavior, the noisy myna has been associated with the decline and absence of many small insectivorous birds already affected by loss of habitat through clearing. Noisy mynas mate for life and breed throughout the year. The female lays 3 or 4 eggs and incubates them by herself till they hatch in around 16 days. It takes another 16 days for the chicks to be fully fledged, and around 3 weeks after that they start to look for food by themselves, however, are still regularly fed by adults to 35 days. The female seldom feeds the young birds after they have fledged.